How's it going, everybody? Something I wanted to discuss today is in relation to cyber liability insurance, and that is the difference between first and third party coverage. An important question to ask is your business covered if a cyber attack occurs, one of your customers is impacted, and sues you? So cyber liability insurance is obviously designed to protect your business from the potential financial consequences of cyber-related incidents. There's an important distinction to know with these policies, and that is first and third-party coverage. First party focuses on providing coverage for the direct losses and costs that are incurred by your business that are a result from that cyber incident. This could include things like data breach response costs, which would cover expenses relating to things like notifying any impacted individuals or businesses, any potential credit monitoring services, as well as any public relation efforts. Also under first party would be business interruption losses for any potential lost income while your system was down or out. Then there's the cost to restore or recreate the lost and damaged data. And finally, with any cyber incident, there is the potential for a cyber extortion event, a cyber ransom attack. First party coverage would provide coverage for those cyber extortion costs if there are any extortion demands from a ransomware attacker. This particular part of first party coverage would also provide coverage for any potential foreign forensic investigation that needs to take place. Moving on to third party cyber liability coverage. This provides protection for liability claims from everyone else. Your customers, clients, business partners, and anyone else involved with your business externally that may have been impacted by the cyber attack. Examples of this coverage could be with privacy liability for protection against any claims that come from the unauthorized access or disclosure of any sensitive information from those individuals or businesses. Then there's network security liability, which would help cover claims related to any unauthorized access or potential security failures. Third is media liability. This particular part of third-party coverage would provide protection for any defamation, libel, slander, or copyright infringement that may come from this. And the last part of third-party coverage is for any potential regulatory fines and or penalties that may come from any regulatory bodies due to a failure to comply with data protection laws. So in summary, first-party cyber liability coverage provides protection for the direct costs and losses incurred by your business, while third-party coverage addresses any potential liability claims from anyone else outside of your organization that may have been impacted by the cyber event. Most comprehensive cyber liability insurance policies include a combination of both first and third party, but it's important to note that many of the basic cyber endorsements you might see on a BOP policy or added on to a general liability policy will either have very low sublimits for third-party coverage or potentially no coverage at all. So it's important to talk with your agent to understand what you're actually covered for on your cyber liability insurance policy or the cyber endorsement that is added on to your either BOP policy or general liability policy.